Alright guys, and run this is Brett, top two here. Top spot wins and second place wins. Sandlot bobblehead from tonight's game. We're gonna go live, 6:35 p.m. We will type live. We are live, 6:35. 6:35. Grab list, 10 spots, and we will drop that into random, 10 entries. Brent on the bottom, John on top. Roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. And we have a 7. Good luck. We're going 7 times. Here we go. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. Dice shows a 7. Next click. Top spot wins. And the second spot wins. Good luck. And 7. Congrats to spot 2, Jeremy, and spot 10, Bryn. You guys are the winners. Get in touch with Brett and get your bobbleheads. We are done, 6:36 p.m. We will go back, type done. We are done, 6:36. 6:36. Here's verification and timestamp.